Your attention is the most valuable currency on earth. Every system you move through, media, advertising, politics, even technology, is designed to capture it, to capture your attention. And not just for profit, but because where your attention goes, your life force follows. This is the real war we're living through. Not bombs and not bullets, a war for your awareness. And the moment you reclaim your attention, you reclaim your freedom. Think of attention like sunlight. Wherever you place it, things grow. When you place it on fear, fear grows. When you place it on comparison, envy grows. When you place it on truth, strength grows. The Matrix knows this. That's why it floods your day with distractions, notifications, headlines, endless feeds. Because if you're busy feeding what drains you, you'll never have energy left to create what frees you. There was a season when I was always on, so to speak, checking email, scrolling, reacting to every ping and ding. By the end of the day, I felt drained. But I couldn't even tell you what I had actually created. The turning point was when I started tracking. Where does my attention go? How often do I give it away without even thinking? That practice shocked me, and it also gave me a doorway back into sovereignty. Because once I saw the leak, I could choose to patch it up, to stop feeding it. The old paradigm thrives on keeping you reacting. Social media is engineered for endless scrolling, keeping you chasing dopamine hits. News cycles are designed to keep you in fear, outrage, and division. Consumer culture is designed to convince you to focus on what you lack so you'll keep buying. Each of these systems is not neutral. They're siphoning your life force through your attention. The truth is, the moment you take your attention back, the system loses power. So how do you win this war? How do you win this war for your attention? I'm going to propose 3 ways. The first is pause before you give. Pause before you give. Ask, does this deserve my life force? The second way is to create before you consume. So start your day maybe making something true, even small, like before the world floods you with noise. And the third way is to redirect consciously. So every time you notice your attention being hijacked, gently bring it back to what matters: your breath, your body, your purpose. It isn't about perfect focus. That's not realistic or doable. It's about remembering your attention is sacred and then treating it that way. So here's what I propose for you to notice this upcoming week. Who or what is winning the war for your attention? And are you willing to reclaim it? Because when you do, I promise you something powerful happens. You realize attention was never meant to be hoarded. It was meant to be shared. And that brings us to the next part of the revolution, the next episode in this series, which is called The Sacred Code of Mutuality. Now, if you want a place where your attention feeds something real, not algorithms, not distractions, but rather truth, I invite you into our alchemy circle. Together, we're practicing the art of giving our attention back to what actually matters. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next episode.